Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your volume mixer on the Windows 11. So of course, the first thing you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, just go to your settings to upgrade into Windows 11. Of course, you can do that totally free, and you can run the installation into the background of your PC, and in the meanwhile, you can use your PC without any problems. Of course, it could be or not much, a bit slower, but it's not going to be a problem. And once the downloads finish, you will actually be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And once you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into Windows 10, but I bet you will stay on Windows 11 because you will like it. So once you are here, as we said, we would like to open Volume Mixer on the Windows 11. So what is volume mixer? First, the volume mixer is the option that's letting you lower the voice or increase the voice of a certain app or video or something on your computer instead of lowering the voice of everything. So of course, if you lower the voice like that, you will hear everything like lower or higher. But if you open the volume mixer, you'll be able to reduce or increase the volume of certain apps however you want. So how can you open that? Simply go to your volume here icon and right click on it, and then you'd like to click at open volume mixer. And here, as we said, as you can see, those are the apps that I am opened right now. And of course here, let's say as an example, I would like to decrease the volume of my Opera or my browser and the Steam as well, the Discord as an example, and let's everything else with 100 volume. So when I finish, I will have just to click at X and I'm going to be good to go. So that's be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.